Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to change your display name in Skype. Your Skype name is the username that was created when you first joined Skype that may have been auto-generated for you. This is a unique identifier that is used to help others find you in Skype search, which cannot be changed or modified. However, you can change your Skype display name, which is shown in search results along with your Skype name. Open Skype app. Go to the left side panel. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Choose Settings from the list. A new window will open. Select Account and Profile from the left side list. Go to your profile on the right side of the window. It will direct you to the Skype Settings webpage. Click on Edit Profile at the top of the page. Go to Name option. Enter the new name that you want. Click on Save at the top of the page. Your display name will change. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!